Phonics with letter sound. A for ant, ant. A for alligator, alligator. B for ball, ball. B for balloon, balloon. C for cake, cake. C for cat, cat. D for doll, doll. D for dinosaur, dinosaur. E for elbow, elbow. E for exercise, exercise. F for flag, flag. F for fan, fan. G for grass, grass. G for gate, gate. H for hat, hat. H for house, house. I for ink, ink. I for iguana, iguana. J for joker, joker. J for jam, jam. K for kangaroo, kangaroo. K for king, king. L for lotus, lotus. L for lamb, lamb. M for milk, milk. N for moon, moon. N for net, net. N for nurse, nurse. O for orange, orange. O for ostrich, ostrich. P for pumpkin, pumpkin. P for panda, panda. Q for quilt, quilt. Q for quill, quill. R for rainbow, rainbow. R for rose, rose. S for sunflower, sunflower. S for snail, snail. T for tank, tank. T for tree, tree. U for umbrella, umbrella. U for uncle, uncle. V for vase, vase. V for violin, violin. W for watch, watch. W for walnut, walnut. X for Xmas tree, Xmas tree. X for X-ray, X-ray. Y for yo-yo, yo-yo. Y for yogurt, yogurt. Z for zero, zero. Z for zebra, zebra. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe my channel Kids Learning Planet.